What's up guys, here is L711. So, in today's video, I'm really excited because I finally get to cover a rendering program that I've wanted to cover for a very long time. So MyEarth is easier for a starter to render your virtual world, and the human characters here are very vivid and intelligent because this program is set to rationalize your operation automatically, even if some of your operations are unreasonable. For example, if you put an object in the sky, those human characters would describe it as an unsolved mystery like UFO or some religion stories. They won't have any doubt about the rules you set, and if they do, MyEarth will run the thinking program for them automatically, which can make them have infinite faith in having the capability of independent thinking, and the world they are living in is the reality. So you are free to make whatever happens here. What I wanted to do is, I wanted to make a video just kind of walking you through the basics of using MyEarth, and just kind of showing you where everything is. I'm super excited, so let's go ahead and just jump into it. So, the first thing you're gonna notice when you pop up MyEarth is you're gonna get this page and gives you optional scenes for blank templates that you can download, but you can also create by yourself. In this case, you can just pick one, and you can just jump right in, and begin. It's gonna load the scene, and depending on your computer speed this could take a little because it's loading everything up. And everything ready to go. And that actually came in pretty quickly, and so, the first thing you're gonna notice right off here is this has everything kind of built in, so it has the shops, the moving people, and the handrails, etc. Everything is rendered in real time, like I can turn and look at different things in my model in real time. If you wanna select an object, just click it. Right, now we need to know is navigation. Use the WASD keys to move, S is down, D is right, W is up, A is left. I want to talk a little bit more about some of the different functions, so here is the selection bar to switch to the other scenes. All the scenes here are in the same timeline, so even though you are in here, the other scenes are still running well automatically. Here is the interesting logic I want to introduce. If there's no human here, it will present the raw scene, cause the program will not be overloaded easily in this way. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, now if we need to control the population of the shopping mall, all you need to do is select the human button here, and double-click the chosen people, and, yes, they will leave right away. The handrail is like a space portal, it will teleport them from here to somewhere needs them, but the human won't notice anything. So, in addition, if you want to apply the texture, there's actually a texture button here, you can just drag a picture to the ground, and here it is. Let's try more, select the object here, and just drag the texture directly. Done. Just see how natural the electrical box is. Haha, cool, let's move to the next scene. Check around here, it looks like a grocery store here, and this color doesn't look right. Move down a little bit tilde and try to adjust the grass color by clicking this button, and dragging the slider. So, making that adjustment is really easy. Now, the roof looks more appropriate to the scene here. So, I've just kind of scratched the surface of what you can do with this program. I'm very excited to cover it more, but leave me a comment below, and let me know what you thought. I just love to get your opinion on this program, what you thought about some of the features, or share your skills of controlling your virtual world. I just love having that simulation conversation with you guys. If you're new around here, remember to click that subscribe button for new MyEarth content every week. But in any case, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, I really appreciate it. That will catch you in the next video. Thanks guys.